LA's Morning News.
Weekdays on KNX News 97.1 FM.
You have 3 ex-wives and your current trophy wife wants a life insurance policy 3 times the size of the policies you had to purchase for your previous mistakes? If so, you need to call Big Lou at Term Provider, 800-777-1979. Big Lou is intimately familiar with your problems, and if you're 50 or 60 years old and in reasonably good health, a $1 million policy should only cost about $100 to $200 per month. Big Lou may have a solution for your previous policies as well. You may even save enough money to lighten the load on your new $1 million policy. Remember, call Big Lou. He's like you, except he's only on number 2. Call Term Provider at 800-777-1979. That's 800-777-1979. For $1 million in term life insurance that you can live with. Call Big Lou at 800-777-1979. 800-777-1979.
Accident or injury, call Jacob and Ronnie. Call Jacob.
723 on KNX, a group called Save LA Cougars has unveiled an augmented reality experience. As Chris Sedens tells us, it provides a futuristic view of the planned animal crossing over the 101 freeway.
When completed, the Wallace-Annenberg Wildlife Crossing will allow wild animals such as cougars to avoid having to cross the busy freeway, but it won't happen until sometime in 2025. For now, anyone can preview the largest wildlife bridge in the world through augmented reality provided by Snapchat.
It is based on the image of what they are planning to build and how they are planning to build it, which is really exciting.
Jason Crockett is the public policy manager at Snapchat.
People aren't going to be able to walk across it, but we still want to be able to engage and increase excitement and awareness and knowledge of what the crossing is.
Crockett says the AR experience is very lifelike, and you can enjoy it from the comfort of your couch. Chris Sedens, KNX News 97.1 FM.
Casino owners are looking to esports as the newest way to make money. At a trade show in Atlantic City, executives from the competitive video game and casino industries agreed that there is financial potential in bringing their two businesses together. Analysts say esports are not a fad. This year is expected to generate nearly $1.5 billion in activity worldwide. Coming up at the bottom of the hour here on KNX, the LA City Council has a new leader. Right now, your traffic on the 5s, and it's sponsored by On Deck Small Business Loans. Here's Brian Douglas.
It is still a mess trying to get into the valley on the 405. At times, all lanes still stopped here on that southbound side, right before you get to the 101 transition road. You've got at least 2 right lanes that are blocked, or going to be blocked. This is a crash, and that's why you're almost at a standstill from Sunset Boulevard. I do see some of you using Sepulveda, and it looks like Sepulveda is now open between Royal Hills and Valley Meadow. This is in between those 2 turns there on Sepulveda. This is where we had a motorcycle wreck. It was a deadly wreck, unfortunately, so there was an investigation. If you're on the 101 freeway, traveling westbound right around Balboa, hearing now of a crash, and it looks like we've got some middle lanes blocked with this, and I do see some slowing here starting to build. Speaking of slowing, this Hollywood freeway, my goodness, from Hollywood Boulevard all the way into downtown, you are at a crawl, and that is just a lot of folks. No crashes, we hope. We hope to keep it that way. And if you're coming in from Santa Clarita, that 5 southbound, a little bit past Cowgrove, so heading up the hill, 2 right lanes taken away with a crash, and that backup now starts almost back at Lyons Avenue. When you own a small business sometimes can need funds, and you need those funds fast. So go on to OnDeck.com, America's largest online small business lender. OnDeck makes it easy to apply in minutes. Apply for your loan today at OnDeck.com. Next report, 7:35 from the Toyota Glendora.com 24-hour traffic center.
Going down into the 50s and 60s tonight, 75 under clear skies on the Miracle Mile at 727.
Everything, our farm, our stand, our pop-up shop, it really all started when we discovered the benefits of local raw honey for our family.
And then we decided to turn it into a business.
We were looking for something to help us get up and running.
So we got the Chase Business Complete Banking Account.
It's more than a bank account. It comes with Quick Accept, which lets us take card payments anytime, anywhere in the U.S. using the Chase mobile app. Plus, we get same-day deposits at no extra cost. For us, it's more than honey. It's about sharing a little sweetness with the world.
Get the Chase Business Complete Banking Account with the essentials you need to help get your business going. Learn more at chase.com/business-complete-banking. Chase for business. Make more of what's yours. Quick Accept is not available in U.S. territories. Enrollment required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Merchant services provided by Payment Tech LLC and WePay Inc., subsidiaries of J.P. Morgan Chase Bank and a member FDIC.
Introducing Spectrum One. Get Spectrum Internet with speeds of 300 megabits per second, advanced Wi-Fi with best-in-class security and privacy, Spectrum Mobile with unlimited talk, text, and data plus nationwide 5G. Get it all with Spectrum One. Spectrum Internet, advanced Wi-Fi, and one line of Spectrum Mobile Unlimited for only $49.99 a month. Visit Spectrum.com or a Spectrum store today. Valid for qualified residential customers only. Service not available in all areas. Restrictions apply.
There's one thing you should never have to search for: an affordable, comprehensive Medicare Advantage plan. Brand New Day Medicare Advantage offers plans with Part B rebates. That's money back in your pocket. $0 monthly premiums, comprehensive dental with implant coverage, over-the-counter allowances, vision, eyewear, and more. Learn more today. Visit bndhmo.com or call 1-800-451-4375. Brand New Day is an HMO SMP with a Medicare contract. Enrollment in Brand New Day depends on annual contract renewal.
Hello, this is Joe Cordell. Cordell & Cordell is a firm that practices family law exclusively. We focus on only one area of the law to maximize our strength and effectiveness as advocates for clients that have everything on the line: their homes, retirement, savings, and most importantly, their children. We're the partner our clients count on. If we can be of help to you, give us a call.
Schedule an appointment with one of Cordell & Cordell's California area attorneys. 1455 Frazee Road, Suite 500, San Diego, California, 92108.
Do you owe the IRS $10,000 or more in back taxes? Are you being audited or investigated? Has the IRS sent you a letter demanding payment? You may not owe what they claim. Make this free call to the tax doctor now. Let them negotiate with the IRS on your behalf. Call 800-631-9123, 800-631-9123. That's 800-631-9123.
You need to hire? Indeed is with you every step of the way, helping you attract, interview, and hire candidates all from one place. Visit Indeed.com/credit.
This is KNX News, 97.1 FM.
The people you know.
The voices you trust.
7:30, good evening. I'm Brian Payne. The embattled LA City Council has a new leader.
Paul Krikorian has a track record of conducting processes to include lots of voices, ones that he agrees with, ones that he doesn't agree with.
Los Angeles Councilmember Marquise Harris Dawson nominated Paul Krikorian, the next LA City Council president. A second to the motion came from Councilmember Brian Newman.
Steady hand is what we need.
The vote for Krikorian unanimous from the 10 members present.
More than anything, I hope that we'll be committed to an atmosphere in this council and with the public of respect, of integrity, of collaboration, of understanding the perspective of people with whom we may disagree.
In becoming LA City Council President, Paul Krikorian said the city needs the resignations of Gil Cedillo and Kevin DeLeon. LA City Hall, Craig Figger, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
The LAPD is not investigating the leaked audio because no one has filed a police report. Susan Seeger, an adjunct professor at UC Irvine School of Law, tells KNX it's likely the recording was illegal, but it's up to the LA County Labor Federation to take action.
Lawsuits are civil lawsuits. The Federation could sue whoever secretly taped this conversation or these conversations for money damages. They also could go to a prosecutor here in Los Angeles or the Attorney General's office and ask them to file criminal charges.
However, she says it's rare to see criminal charges filed in a case like this. Well, despite all the drama at City Hall, we haven't heard much from LA Mayor Eric Garcetti. He tells KNX he privately told Nuri Martinez, Kevin DeLeon, and Gil Cedillo to resign after the leak recording came out. But that's not what he initially said publicly. Rob Archer spoke with him in an interview first heard on KNX.
Well, the initial effects of the scandal might die down. The rift that this is kind of exposed in back rooms at City Hall is probably going to be reverberating for a while, and probably up through the time that we have our next mayor in Los Angeles. This will be a mess that the next mayor is probably going to have to deal with. Can you offer any advice to the incoming leader of the city and what they should be doing about this, what they should look out for about this?
Well, my advice, Rob, has been very simple from the beginning of this. 3 people need to step aside for the good of the city. Second, we need to stabilize the council, the institution, and the business of the people of LA. And remember, in the midst of what seemed like a very long week and felt like a very traumatic week to many of us who felt so offended by these words,